Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own Trello account. So all you have to do guys is just simple type in Trello in your browser, and once you do that you want to find it in Google or just simple type in Trello.com, right? So whichever option you choose, you'll find the Trello website. You head over there and you will see Trello. Now it's very easy to create a Trello account and you can get started for absolutely free, zero costs, right? But before I jump in and show you how to create the Trello account, let me go ahead and show you some of those features with Trello. So on the website, if you click on the features, you will see a ton of different features that you have, right? So you have your planner, you have templates, you have some power-ups, inbox automation, and so much more, right? Now, the one that we're going to focus on, guys, is the Trello dashboard. So this is what we will be using, and to get started is very easy. So what we're going to do, just simple click on get Trello for free at the uppermost right hand side, and once you do that you will be taken over to this page here where you can quickly sign in with your Gmail account. You can do it by Microsoft account, an Apple account, or even through Slack if you have access to Slack. Now, let's go ahead and continue with our Gmail account here. I'm going to select this Gmail address here, and let's go ahead and click and continue. Now, once you're here, just go ahead. You can choose if you want to, basically send news and those offers to the email. It's really up to you. You don't have to, but you can just go ahead and check this box if you want to receive those updates or not. Just simply go ahead and click and create your Trello account. Now, this is very fast and it's very easy and straightforward. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and you can start by choosing if you want to organize your ideas, if you want to track any personal tasks or to-dos, or if you want to somehow manage some team projects, or even create and automate your own team workflow. It's really up to you. Now, for the purpose of this section, guys, I'm going to say that I want to organize my work and ideas. So I'm going to click on that, then click and continue. Notice that you also have the option to skip it, but that's only up to you if you want to go in and start from scratch. But why not take the opportunity and just quickly set up something here? So I'm going to go ahead and click and continue here. Now you have the opportunity now to create your board. So you can go ahead and skip that as well, or you can just easily go ahead and name your board. So I'm going to call this one my work, or I'm going to say my ideas, right? My ideas sound much better. Then go ahead and click on next. Now you can go ahead and you can just give your list three things, right? So you can do to-dos, doing, and done. They give you three ideas, and on the right hand side you see that they actually showed you what it looks like. So it's really up to you what you want to name it, and you can always go back at a later point in time and rename them. So I'm going to use the examples that they provide. So I'm going to call the first one to do, for example. The second one I'm going to say doing as they give it to me, and the last one I'm going to say done. Now let's go ahead and make that correct. Done. Then click on next here. And here they want us to add some cards, and the cards are these ones in the middle here. So you can go ahead and you can just say whatever. So let's say I'm going to call this card, for example, Trello. Let's call this one Trello. That's what I want to call it, right? And the second card, I'm going to say, let's say Instagram as an example. You get the idea. It just popped out of my head. And then let's go ahead and click on next. Now here you want to go ahead and you can invite people. It's really up to you if you want to give someone access to your Trello dashboard, and we will touch on that, how to invite people at a later point in time. But here is very easy. If you want to add somebody or invite someone to work on your Trello boards on your ideas, you can give them access to Trello, and you can build your team and have people doing different tasks. So here you can go ahead and enter the email address, but it's not mandatory. If you're going to use it only for yourself to get started, you can go ahead and you can skip this step. In this case, I'm going to skip this step. And as you can see right now, it takes me right into my Trello board. And guess what, guys? You now have access to use Trello Premium for free. Once you create a new account, you have the access to use Trello for free. So you can just simply choose the option here by go to your first board, and you can see that you're right in Trello. I hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, give this video a like. If you'd like to learn more about Trello, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'll be releasing much more tutorials showing you how to use Trello so that you can become a master of using Trello. So look forward for future videos, because I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about Trello. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.